All right, 80s fans, Bruce Hornsby fans, we have The Way It Is. Let's take a listen. I'm going to do the chorus part. It's just the way it is. You love that song. All right, guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Did this one a long time ago. I'm redoing it, and there were some even little mistakes that I had made in the solo part that I fixed, so it was a lot of fun to redo it. We're going to do the part one right here. If you are a member of Web Piano Teacher, you can download the sheet for this. All right, so make sure to do that if you are a member. All right, as we get into this, some of you may be advanced players and you find this and maybe you read music and you want to try to figure out what I'm doing here. On my website, I have something called my Easy Piano Lesson Series. So that's for complete beginners, but it's also for those of you who are not used to my method and you just kind of an orientation of how to read my chart and what I do. You can use that on the site to get going. But we do the whole song, both solos, not just the first solo, both solos, everything Bruce plays. Also, we'll show you how to put some melody in the right hand in certain places to kind of make it your own. And so let's get into it. All right, get into the board here. Normally with part one, I'll start at the very beginning of the song. But I thought we would just teach everyone this. Because I thought this was so cool when I was a kid and heard this song come out that I went straight to the piano and played this. I thought, that's so simple, but so cool. So we're just going to learn this part for the part one, okay? But definitely we'll do all of it on the website. I'm going to leave the two G's out, and we're just going to do this for a minute. A, B, G. There's three things, okay? I like to break things down, if you haven't noticed. I like to break them down so that they seem understandable, so that they can be understandable. A, B, G is the first thing. 1, 2, 5. So, all right, the next one is G, A, E. And I like to hold on to the last two notes. Like that. So holding on to the last two notes, but letting go of the first one. All right, so just practice. The fingers are 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 4, I guess. The last one. Okay? Get that down first. Then we're going to do the left hand. G, D, G. 5, 2, 1 on the left hand. F, C, F. And then C, G, C. Okay? So we have. Isn't that cool? And if you want to put this in front of it, I use my second finger. 2, 2. And then I go. That's just the way it is. I don't think he plays it every time, but that first time he does. 2, 3, 4. 5. And so forth. Anyway, yes, we do the whole thing. And my sheets are all written out. They're all nicely redone, and so you can, when you print them out, you can either, well, you can do a printout and write on it, or you can put it on a big screen like this and zoom in and zoom out. That's really cool because it stays high definition when you do that. But there's thousands of lessons on my website. If you like Bruce Hornsby, I have tons of other Bruce Hornsby lessons on there as well. He's a great piano player, of course, and lots of neat solos if you want to learn his style. Hope you guys enjoyed the part one. Talk to you later.